Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we're bringing the world to your table with a better-for-you take on a family-friendly casserole dish.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making a super easy, super delicious Skillet Cheeseburger Mac.
Yes, and it sounds really amazing, and we're doing a couple things to make it a little bit better for us and a little bit better than like a typical box mix, so it's really easy just to make it at home. So what we've done already, we have our ground beef going in here. We're actually using ground beef turkey blend, which is a great way to make it just a little bit leaner. And it's really pretty much brown now. So what we're going to do next is just add in salt and pepper. And then some garlic as well.
And you can feel free to switch it up and just use 100% ground turkey or ground chicken or even just all ground beef.
Yes.
So lots of options.
Yeah, so now I'm just going to saute this garlic and the salt and pepper with our ground meat in our skillet just until that garlic is fragrant. It smells really good.
So good.
And this recipe, I love it just because it uses just a couple ingredients. You can see we don't have a whole lot going on here, but it's easy and much better than just a typical box mix.
Yeah, it's nice to have control over the ingredients that you're feeding your family.
Yes, absolutely. All right, this looks pretty good. So next, I'm going to add in we're using a can of, this one is crushed tomatoes. And then also adding in low-fat milk. Be nice and creamy. And I'm just going to mix this together. And we're going to bring this to a boil. And just let it simmer so that it thickens up. All right, this looks good. Our sauce is kind of thickened. Everything's mixed together really well. So next we're going to add in our pasta. Thanks, Jenny.
Yeah.
Try to get this in here without making too much of a mess.
So again, we're just using a whole wheat elbow macaroni. You could use a gluten-free pasta if you need to make that substitution.
There, all out of here. There we go. All right. So now I'm going to kind of mix this in here. Should all fit in our skillet. You definitely need a pretty big skillet. But this one is like perfect size for all of this. Then we're going to add in our cheese.
I'm going to sprinkle it in as you
that's
stir.
perfect.
Okay.
We're just going to mix this up until that cheese gets nice and melty. This looks so good.
It does look good.
Definitely something that's very kid-friendly, something that makes good leftovers.
And it does make a lot of food.
Yes, definitely. And something, too, that would be good, you can serve it with a side of veggies or a side salad. If you want to get more veggies in, steamed veggies. All right. Looks good. I'm just going to turn up the heat just a little bit. I just want that cheese to melt. And we're just using just a cheddar cheese. But feel free to use whatever type you prefer.
I bet a little bit of pepper jack.
Ooh, that would be
good.
really good.
But I like spicy food, so.
Yes, you do. All right, I am gonna serve this up. It looks really good. We were talking about ways to garnish this, so we are going to put a little bit of parsley on. But we are also talking about pickles because this is a cheeseburger, so pickles, onion.
Crumbled bacon?
Ooh, that would be really good too. And we're eating this with a spoon. Ooh, do you want to garnish?
Oh, yeah.
Should we do a little bit? Parsley.
A little bit of parsley,
Make
just
it
for
pretty.
some color.
Yeah. All right, let's give this a try. This is so much better than the box mix.
Yeah, it really is like a cheeseburger in a bowl. But pickles, I think, would be a super good addition. Be nice and crunchy, too.
Agreed. And onions, I would definitely put those on. So So skip the box mix and give this recipe a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.